Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. 5th Ramadan in UAE, when it suddenly started to rain at around 12 o'clock of the night. So the rain was, pretty fast. There's lightning with it, thunder, very good winds, and it also showed lightning, as you guys are just gonna see right now in like some seconds. So 3, 2, 1, lightning here. That lightning! I literally shocked my whole family. Like, I was just standing in my yard, like, oh, what just happened? I just saw lightning in the sky. So everything, like, I was really shocked, and I saw that lightning out of nowhere. Like, you guys saw that again. Lightning came, and that's why I like this raining a lot, because of the severe winds, the water coming down, and everything else. Water coming down, severe winds, lightning in the sky, lights in the sky. It looks like God has just made electricity in the sky. Like, I think so. Then when this lightning comes down, I think that the water particles around are also getting electrified. Why did that happen in real life? What happens? Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This is why I like raining a lot, and it was raining good.